Hi, my name is Nikki Baker. I was born and raised in Bel Air, Maryland. I graduated from Towson University in 2011 with a degree in elementary education. My first job was third grade reading and writing in Montgomery County, Maryland. I had a high ESOL population of students, so I learned very quickly that small group instruction and differentiation were the only way I was going to meet all of their needs. My next school, I taught at a charter school in Baltimore City, and I did a lot of project-based learning with them because I found that to be the best way to motivate them. And this year I am teaching 5th grade in Harford County. It's my first year in the county, and it's my first year teaching 5th grade, so it should be an exciting year, and I have taught for 7 years. A little bit about me. I just got married this summer. We went to the Bahamas for our honeymoon, and it was the best vacation we've ever taken. The island and the water was absolutely gorgeous, and the local people were so friendly. For hobbies, I love working out, I love camping, and I love being on the water. My dog and I go swimming in the pool almost every single day in the summer. We spend a lot of time at the beach, at our family beach house. My husband loves to go fishing, so we try and rent a boat a couple times a year to go fishing while we're down there. And even though we don't currently own a boat, we actually lived on one for 2 years. It was nothing big or fancy, but it was a great experience. And that's about it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to get to know everyone this semester.